So today we're going to discuss about the writing numbers in scientific notation. A scientific notation is a method of writing very small or very large numbers into manageable lengths. So follows the form c times 10 to the power of p, okay? Where c is the coefficient and 10 is the base and p is the exponent. Let's have here an example. 6 times 10 to the power of 2. Okay? Okay, 6 is the coefficient. 10 is the base and 2 is the exponent. Okay, now let's have another example here. 3500 into scientific notation. Okay, first thing to do is you have to move the decimal point to the left side, okay, next to the whole number. Okay, since this is the whole number, there's an imaginary decimal point at the right portion. Okay, so here you have to move this to the left. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 moves, so become 3.5 times 10. Since we move the point to the left, the exponent should be positive. So the exponent is positive 3. Okay, let's have another one. 4,100. Okay, change this to scientific notation. So we need to do is move the decimal point to the left. 1, 2, 3, and then. So the result is 4.1 times 10 to power of 3. Okay, so this is positive 3. How about if I say, okay, let me erase this one first. Okay, how about if I'm going to write, okay, how about this one? Okay, change this one to scientific notation. So in this case, the decimal point is on the left. So we need this to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to say 4. So it becomes 5.8 times 10 raised to, since you move to the right side, then this will become negative 4 raised to negative 4. Right. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, how about this? Okay, change this to scientific notation. Okay, so first is you have to move this decimal point from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it should be next to the whole number on the right side. So it become 7.9 times 10. How many places you move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since you move 5 places to the right, then this is negative. So 7.9 times 10 raised to negative 5. Okay, that's all for now.